Thank you, Chairwoman Johnson. I was proud to introduce H.R. 2051, Sustainable Chemistry R&D Act, along with my Republican Chemistry Caucus Co-Chair, Mr. Moolenaar. I thank many of my colleagues on this committee, including Chairwoman Johnson, for co-sponsoring this bipartisan amendment. I've long supported efforts to coordinate federal programs that support basic research at our national labs and universities, because coordination helps maximize the return on our investments. The Sustainable Chemistry R&D Act does this. I've also made a priority to work on ways to increase the transition of research conducted in these labs into new and better products. The Sustainable Chemistry R&D Act does this also. Products we interact with in nearly every sector of the economy, including cleaning supplies, dyes, pesticides, and flame retardants, rely on innovations in chemistry. As co-chair of the Chemistry Caucus, I hear from industry that sustainable chemistry is a field particularly in need of federal attention. American businesses face global competition to meet consumer demand for products that have been designed with forethought to their impacts. We want affordable products that meet our needs and protect human health and our environment. It is better for our environment if products are created from sustainably sourced materials. It is better to use less energy and safer chemicals in the production process. And it is far better to minimize harmful waste than to try to clean it up later. Basic research in sustainable chemistry informs industrial design of products with these principles in mind. This is an opportunity for federal, academic, and industry partners to work together in a way that will grow our economy and improve public health in our environment. H.R. 2051 highlights the importance of sustainable chemistry and directs coordination of programs to support sustainable chemistry across the federal government. Specifically, the bill establishes an interagency coordination entity under the direction of the Office of Science and Technology Policy to develop a national roadmap for sustainable chemistry. This roadmap will include a definition of sustainable chemistry, a framework for characterizing sustainability, an assessment of the state of sustainable chemistry in the U.S., including major challenges and roadblocks. In carrying out those activities, the interagency coordination entity is directed to consult with external stakeholders, including industry, the scientific community, state, tribal, and local governments, and non-governmental organizations. This bill also authorizes relevant federal agencies to incorporate sustainable chemistry principles in their existing research, development, demonstration, tech transfer, education, and training activities. Finally, this bill authorizes the creation of a new public-private partnerships in sustainable chemistry, allowing for new research to directly inform industrial innovation and for students to gain experience addressing industrial challenges. I ask my colleagues to support this bipartisan bill to strengthen U.S. chemical industry by providing the tools needed to lead the world to a safer environment. With that, I will yield back.
Thank you, Mr. Lipinski. Anyone else wishing to be recognized?